Welcome back to PrognoCIS. Today we're going to talk about the highlights of the dermatology database. When you first log into the dermatology database, the first screen that you see is your home screen. The home screen will show you all your appointments for today. It will show you the time that they're scheduled and the actual time that they arrived. If they completed their paperwork, over here we'll see a movie camera if there's a telemedicine visit. You can also see the status of the patient in the clinic. Here you're going to have forward and backward arrows so that you can move forward and backward a screen as you start moving through the system. The house will always bring you back to the home screen. Each one of these tabs are menu tabs to take you to other screens in the system. Over here we have a row of icons, which are shortcuts to other places in the system. You have your open encounters, which will show you all the encounters that are still open that you need to work and close. Also, these columns across here are customizable by user. So each individual user can have exactly what columns they would like to use. All they have to do is click the Manage column. The columns that they would like to use are going to go over to the right. Anything that they don't want, they can hit the arrow and send it back to the left and then hit Apply, and the columns will be customized according to each individual user. You also have a filters button, which allows you to filter out by provider, visit type, visit status, and location. Now, to get to the encounter, you're going to click on the patient's name, which is going to take you to the face sheet. The face sheet can have up to 16 different cells, and you can move them, drag and drop them anywhere you want. You can enlarge them if you want them to be bigger or smaller. You can enlarge them however you would like. You can also have up to 9 different face sheets, and each face sheet can be completely different based on what it is that you need for your system, your clinic. Over here we have HPI. HPI is going to be the complaints. So we have a complete library. You can see there's 8 pages in this particular library of dermatology complaints. So you can just select your complaint, complete your template. If it's something that you are doing multiple times over and over, you may want to go up here and copy from a previous visit. So you can choose the visit you want to copy from, and then you'll be able to see that visit note and then choose the sections you would like to copy forward. You can always edit those sections once you get there. We also have a library of different types of physical exams. So there's a lot of different dermatology related physicals. Under the specialty tab, we have all the different dermatology related procedures, questionnaires, surveys, things like that that you might use in dermatology. So all of those would be in here. Each one of these specialty templates does have its own specialty note. Now, as you're moving through the system, if you want to see your progress note, you have a 3 little dot button where you can go ahead and see your progress note as you're writing it. This would be your current progress note for today. You can also click here and see your face sheet. So if you needed access to that face sheet without having to leave that screen, you can actually access that face sheet, and you can access other face sheets as well. If you're doing a telemedicine visit, you can hit that 3 dot button here, and you would have another feature there for telemedicine where you would see the telemedicine person here in the visit. You also have Draw Tool. So in Draw Tool, you can pick an image and you can mark like what you want on the image. So I'm putting Botox injections on here. And then once I've done that, I can save it. And this can be part of my progress note. I also have a picture feature where I can add pictures to the database. So I can snap a picture, hit the Add New button, and that way I can see before and after pictures in the database. Also, under the assessment, as you're working through the system, your diagnosis code and your CPT codes will come over based on the procedures or diagnosis that you have selected in the system. We also have order sheet where you can come and you can order your labs, radiology, consults, procedures, prescriptions, and DME all in one place. You just select the order that you need. It comes over here to the left. Then you create order down here at the bottom. Or if you're ordering prescriptions, you can click on the prescription screen, choose the drug from the preferred list or the entire drug code book. Or you can simply just start typing it in and it will come up with the strengths and the types of ways that it comes in. Once you've saved it, you can send it, e-prescribe it, fax it, or print it. Same thing with your lab orders. You can electronically send them, fax them, or print them. Your progress note is getting created as you are writing and selecting things in the system. When you finish, you can go ahead and go to Encounter Close and create your claim. And then all your documents are in your document list. So you can come to your document list at any time and select a document, and you'll be able to see it in the view down here, or you can do a side-by-side view and see it to the side. You can share it on portals, whatever you need to do. And then when you're finished, you've created your claim is ready to bill, and that's all there is to it.